What I want to say, fellow citizens, we want to tell you this. We have seen the county assembly members have come up with a notice that they want to do demonstration. But I'm surprised today that Nyanjua gave them a demonstration permit when, as a watchdog, we had also issued our permit that we want to demonstrate on the same date that these people are going to demonstrate. So it is upon the agencies, and I want to speak this, and I want Kindiki to hear this. This is Kisii. We are demonstrating on the same date. It is now upon the security agencies to allow us go and demonstrate. Whatever happens on that day, let it happen, because we are not cowards. We are Kisiis. We will go to that demonstration. Let them come with theirs. We will come with ours, because we have the same date. That is the date that we're going to demonstrate, all of us.
Kwanzile wiki goja tutatekere constituency tokora maandamano yogo 10 paka Simbo ruro obisi. Tony oromo ntochete sukuru ora nyare korani obisi ye county oposome.
In fact, he came with a different agenda. But now, because he came with a different agenda and he has not executed that agenda, we are telling him, we are coming for him, and he must respect leadership and the people of Kisii. And again, those wounds that he's using, threatening people at home, even to the villagers, we are just warning you. People are just aware about you. Thank you, Bwana Nyambaso Karibu.
This month, on 15th this month, we gave a note to do peaceful demonstration in Kisii. We gave a notice of 3 weeks. We gave Kisii Central, whereby we were told to notify Nyanjua. We notified Nyanjua and we left our letter there. We went there today and collected that letter. But the one of Kisii Central we collected on the 15th. We have heard that the other people got the same. What is embarrassing me or affecting my heart? MCAs who are doing oversight are the people applying for demonstrations. They don't understand. There are 2 other MCAs. The Kisii County can be my witness. Even you members of press